Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to boil the cockles. This video will show you how many minutes that we need to boil or we need to cook the cockles as you want, and then you can choose how many minutes that you will cook. So I also have the method for clean or wash the cockles, and also how to open it very easy. In the description box below you can see other video. So let's get started. First we will separate for the group of the cockles that variation of the minutes. First we try for 20 seconds, and second one is 30 seconds and 1 minute and 1.5 minutes, and the last group is 2 minutes. Let's see what's the happen. So we need to boil the water until it's really boiled, and then put the cockles and then count the times for 20 seconds, and after that remove it and put in the cold water to stop the cooking. And the things that you can do is put the vinegar for 1 or 2 tablespoons. This one will help our cockles is more sweet. And we will do like this in variation of the time, and then let's see the result. In the first one is 20 seconds is rare. You can see the blood of the cockles is still. And the next one is the 30 seconds is a medium rare. The next one is 1 minute. After we open, is medium well done. And the next one is 1 minute and a half. That is almost done, almost well done, but still not cooked out. And the last one is 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see it's well done. That is all that I'm trying to show you, how many minutes as you like to cook the cockles, and then you can try it for cook. But for me, I prefer 2 minutes because I like to be well done. This one is the all result. You can see what kind of the cockles as you like, and then you cook as a minute as you like. And I hope you give this try for this method. And thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.